Welcome to Golf Buddies by Golflog. Hi, G-Flows. Episode 1 starts now. Let's go vlogging. Today's episode is all about golf scores and how to read and use a real scorecard. And now, when I say Romeo, G-Flows, you say Juliet, okay? Romeo! Hey G-Flows, I'm Romeo. Hello, I'm Juliet. Hi everyone. Hello everyone. I am Juliet. I have a question for you guys. Do you know what do scores like par, birdie, or bogey mean in golf? Shall we find out together? Let's go! A par means you hit the ball into the hole using the exact number of strokes the course recommends. A birdie means you did it even better, one stroke less than par. A bogey means one stroke more than par. Anyone can score a bogey, even the pros. But never let yourself down. Bounce back with the birdie on the next hole. There are other scores like double bogey, 2 strokes more than par, triple bogey, 3 strokes more than par. Here's a fun pop quiz. What is the score called if 2 strokes less than par? 1. Albatross. 2. Hole-in-one. 3. Eagle. 4. Double birdie. Please find out the answer for this fun pop quiz at the end of the episode 1. Thank you, Juliet, for teaching us all about the golf scores. Now, G-Flows, I'm Romeo. Let's talk about the golf scorecards and the golf course. Let's go frogging. Most golf courses have 18 holes. The first 9 holes are called the front 9, and the last 9 are the back 9. Each hole has a difficulty rating called a handicap. A hole with handicap 1 is the hardest. Handicap 18 is the easiest. Usually, odd-numbered handicaps are on the front 9, and even-numbered ones are on the back 9. And here, on the far right side, after the 18th hole, you will see the total yardage of the golf course. As you play, write down how many strokes you took for each hole. After you finish your round, you can add up each hole's score, and that will give you the total score of your round. Par, birdie, or bogey, whatever your score is, keep learning and improving and grow your passion in golf. Let's go over the answers from the last episode, The History of Golf. Hey G-Flows! Here's a fun pop quiz for today's episode. The answers will be available at the end of next episode, which is how to grip a golf club. Thank you so much for watching, G-Flows. Have a great rest of your day. See you next time. Let's go frogging.